Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact washing machines, the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the Elevon mini spin dryer. If you're living in a small space like an RV or an apartment, finding the right washing machine can be a challenge. Today, we'll dive into the features, pros, and cons of each model to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The COSTWAY portable washing machine boasts a significant washing capacity of 12 pounds, allowing users to wash larger loads, including towels and jeans. In contrast, the Elevon mini spin dryer has a much smaller capacity of only 5.5 pounds, making it suitable for lighter laundry tasks such as delicates or small items. This difference in capacity is crucial for users who need to wash more clothes at once, especially in a household setting. When it comes to pricing, the COSTWAY portable washing machine is priced at $169, reflecting its larger capacity and dual tub design. On the other hand, the Elevon mini spin dryer is much more budget-friendly at $77. This makes the Elevon an attractive option for those who are looking for a more affordable solution for their laundry needs, especially if they don't require a high capacity. The COSTWAY model features a dedicated spinner compartment, allowing for more effective water removal from clothes, which can lead to quicker drying times. In contrast, the Elevon mini spin dryer uses a detachable spin basket that must be manually inserted and removed, which can be less convenient and may interrupt the workflow. This difference in spinning methods can significantly impact the user experience, especially for those who do laundry frequently. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the Elevon mini spin dryer offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. If you prioritize capacity and efficiency, the COSTWAY is the better choice. However, if portability and price are more important to you, the Elevon is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like